In a world driven by data, one vulnerability is all it takes. Cyber threats don't knock, they break in. Learn to think like an attacker. Defend like a professional.
Some work, but rest is fine. Let me share. Yes, only fine. Corporate life is like this only. Not nothing else. It's just fine. My screen is visible to you all. I feel it, sir. Okay, Tariq. What can visible my screen? My screen visible to you all? Okay. So till now we talked about attacks, malware, and humans. Okay. Now let's talk about some network defense. So most attacks reach systems through the network. Yes, and data travels over internet networks. Networks are totally public. Network security protects the data while it is moving. Do you all agree with this point? If the network is open, attackers don't need permission. They can directly access it. Yes, no? Okay. So what do you all mean by network security? Tell me, guys. First, we will complete all our PPTs. Then we will have some hands-on. Okay, on the commands that are left. Protecting a computer network from devices, viruses. Okay, Shreya. Okay, so tell me, have you heard of the term firewall before? Firewall. Okay, Tapik. Yes, okay, Arishji. So can you explain me a little bit about it? Prevent network from unauthorized access. Okay, Arithnath. Anyone else? Okay, so a firewall is like a security guard for your network. Okay, it checks incoming traffic, it also checks outgoing traffic, and it decides whether to allow or to block any request. Okay, or any data access. A normal analogy is like firewall is like the watchman at the gate. Okay, if you're living in a society, you all have watchman like something. So when he has permission to allow someone, then only he can come into the society. As not, it's a network gateway help you to communicate towards security monitoring network traffic as well. Yes, Arjun, correct. Okay. So now talk about We already talked about the firewall and how firewall works. Yeah. As I mentioned, traffic comes in firewall when sir today your voice is not clear. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. So hello. Am I audible to you all? It's, it's fine now. Okay. 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 So let's break down it in simple terms. So when any request came, okay, so firewall checks it that it is allowed in its list or not, because firewall is not a human. Okay, it has something algorithm and it has its list, so it have to allow that list or block that list. Okay, that request, particular request. Yes, correct, Aristo. These are some of the parameters that it checks while checking the request to allow it or disallow it. Okay, so first it checks rules and then allowed traffic passes, which is allowed only. Suspicious traffic will be blocked according to its blacklist and whitelist. So firewall does not care who you are. It cares about rules. What rules you set in it, what are the permission that you want to give or not. It care about that only, not who you are. Like you are someone big personality, he doesn't care about it. Okay, it allows HTTPS traffic. Okay, and blocks unknown ports. If you are using some unknown ports, it will definitely block it. Alright. So next, the types of firewalls that we have. Okay, so firewall is basically of three main types: packet filtering, stateful, and next generation. Okay, so we will talk about these all in the next slides. And security evolved as attacks evolved. Okay, as the attacks are evolving day by day, every year by year, the security is also evolving according to the threats. Okay, so packet filtering firewalls. So what filtering firewall does? So anyone can tell me? I think as RHD already told, like it based on IP port number and protocol. All threes are correct. It checks the traffic. Okay. So it checks the envelope, not the letter. So okay, it doesn't care about what is the data in it. It only cares about the from which port number and from which using protocol it is coming. Okay, and what it is IP. He doesn't care about what data in it present. Check the present port. Yes, sir, correct. So next is stateful firewall. Okay, so stateful firewall, it tracks connection state. Okay, it knows which traffic is part of a session. When any session is going on, he knows this data is a part of this session, so I have to allow this data. Stateful. Okay, if you requested any website, reply is allowed automatically. Just like if you are requested any website, the reply will come. So it is already allowed. He knows that this is the session, this is the part of that session, so I have to allow it. So it does work like smart. Okay, it is a smart type of firewall, smarter than packet filtering. Packet filtering only care about the outside thing. Okay, but stateful firewall is depend on the smart. It's smarter and it's check about the sessions that are present. Okay, so any doubt this? So then next generation firewalls. This is the most newest type of firewall that we have. Okay. So this is what modern organizations use. Most of the organizations that are in current era, they use next generation firewalls, or we can say NGFW. So it checks deep packet inspection, not only about the IP ports and protocol. It checks the data in it also. It also detects the malware detection. It also checks that there is any malware, any code infection or not in this particular requested packet. Okay, so it can block Facebook but allow LinkedIn. It's like this. Okay, so it understands content, not just ports. It not only depends on the port, it just understands the content, what is inside the packet, not only outside or regarding the session, both, plus also the data in it. Any doubts? Anything? All right. So IDS versus IPS. So tell me, what do you mean by these two terms, IDS and IPS? Intrusion data system. Okay, Adishri. And IPS? IPS is of police. Okay. UPSC. IPS is intrusion prevention system. Okay. So IDS only detects the attacks and it raises alerts according to these type of requests and attacks. It does not block them. It only detects according to the name, intrusion detection system. It detects. And what intrusion prevention system does? To tell the suspicious events occur in the system, then it will detect and notify. Yes, correct, Arishi. Correct. Intrusion detection system. Yes, yes, Vijay. So what IPS does? It detects and it also blocks automatically. This is only the basic difference between these two. IDS only detects and IPS also blocks them. IDS is like CCTV camera, where it can only see, it doesn't do anything. But IPS is like security guard. Security guard can watch also and it can do some stuff also, fighting and stuff. He can stop the thief to enter. Okay, so IPS is like security guard and IDS is like CCTV. Okay, and design prevent system to prevent those suspicious events. Yes, actually correct. Now network segmentation. It basically means like segmentation means dividing the network. Okay, so why we divide the networks? So can you tell me why why we are doing network segmentation? Why it is important? It's segments of network. It's correct. Correct, actually. It's segment of network. But why? Why we are doing segments of network? Any pros regarding it? That these are the some reasons that we are doing this type of stuff. We are segmenting the network. Like say HR network separated from finance network using VLAN. Okay, why? But why? It is okay that we are doing segmentation, but why? To limit attack spread. Yes, yes, Jyoti. It is correct. It is used to limit the attack spread. Okay, to make hard to attack by the attacker. Okay, Arishli. Segmentation limits attack spread inside a network. Yes, Tafiq, correct. You all are correct. Limits attack spread, and one infected system does not destroy everything. If you have all your networks connected at one, if if any of the computer gets attacked by anything, your whole network will got infected. But if you have different segments, if your one segment got attacked, then it doesn't mean that your all segments got attacked. They all are safe because you have different network segments, not single. To inspect the packets and easy for IDPS to identify. Okay, Kunal. Okay. So students, network separates from admin network. Okay, so segmentation turns one big problem into many small ones. It does simple one thing. Okay, so VPN and secure remote access. What do you mean by VPN and secure remote access? Tell me. VPN is simple, virtual private network. Yes, they are correct. So VPN creates a secure tunnel. It's like a tunnel over the internet. Like work from home you are doing, like secure access to internal systems. So VPN encrypts data before sending to mask the real IP of the system. Yes, Arishi, correct. So VPN secures traffic, not your device. It only works on the traffic. It doesn't secure your device, but it secures the traffic to your device. Okay. So, recap, normal recap. Anyone have any doubt regarding these slides? So the last message I think giving, a firewall does not make you unhackable. It makes attacks harder. Okay, remember this quote. A firewall does not make you unhackable. It makes attacks harder. Okay. Any doubts regarding this PPT, guys? Any doubts? Yes, Kunal. Any doubts, guys? If you have any doubt, you can directly ask me. No, sir, no. Okay, Tawfiq. Anyone else? Okay. Okay. So all your open your Linux terminal. Okay. We will practice some commands again. Okay. So do you all guys remember where we left yesterday? Where we left? Okay. So my screen is visible to you all. Let me open the terminal. I think my screen is visible to you all. Perfect. I think by mistake I have opened the different Linux. No problem in it. So guys, I want to give one more. Okay. So like if you all want to check what are the previous commands we have run, so there is simple command history. Okay. When you type history, you will get all the previous commands that you run on this one. I have opened different Linux, so that's why I haven't shown any previous commands. You can check on it. If you are checking and if you're getting result, then reply me okay. Yes, we are getting result. Then tell me what is the last command that we have discussed yesterday. Type history on the terminal. Hello, am I audible to you all? So use history command on your terminal, Kali Linux terminal, and tell me which is the last command that we have used yesterday. So we can proceed further. Check the timeouts. Write this command on your terminal. History. Simple. So it will tell you the previous used commands on the terminal by you. And when you all are ready with your Linux systems, reply, yes, we are ready. And that will be the last command that we have used. Like here we have used let ls and get new file.txt. So if now I do history, these are the all commands that previously I have used. History, clear, ls, these. Okay. And clear. Clear is a command to clear the terminal. Sorry guys. RM. Alright. So you all guys are ready with the Linux systems? Did you all open it? Afik is ready, I think. Arshad is ready, I think. Jyoti is also ready. Anyone else who is still opening the system or having any problem regarding the system in downloading it, installing it, anything? If you are facing any problem, he or she can tell me. No problem in it. We will see and solve your bug. Is it possible to get back history? To get back history means, Sandhu? I'm not understanding. Like we can do history command to get history, and to got previous commands like this. We can use arrow up and arrow down keys to get previous commands. So these are the commands that we have used. Okay. Like again to clear. Okay. Again we have used these commands. So you are saying, oh, sir, solely for it. No problem, Anjit. We ready with on your Linux system, and we are doing some hands-on on the commands that from where we have left yesterday. Okay, so the next command we have discussed is rmdir. Okay, so this is the command we have used to delete file with rm. But if we have any directory, we will use rmdir, like mkdir to make a new directory and rmdir to delete. Okay, so so Vaibhav, this is the Vaibhav folder that I have made yesterday. So I have deleted this Vaibhav folder. Okay, so let me show you. So okay guys, tell me command we use where we are currently, our current location. Yes, the pick correct. Yes, correct. Correct, Aditya. Correct, Rafiq. Chandu, my voice is fine. Wait a minute, let me join. I hope I'm audible to you guys now. Okay, Manji. So let me share my screen again. Okay, Arishri. My screen is visible to you. My screen is visible to you. Hello. Okay. Okay. So yes, PWD command. Yes, correct. So currently I am in home in Kali, and if I do Vaibhav and will do PWD, then currently I am in Vaibhav. So now I will exit and I will do rmdir to delete the folder Vaibhav, rmdir Vaibhav. Okay. So now we'll do ls Vaibhav. Vaibhav is gone. So use this command and reply me when you are. Okay. So Kunal, what pretending you are some modern language. Which language you are talking in? Emoji Hindi. What is this new language you have invented? Voice breaking, sir. I don't think my from my voice is breaking, but it is okay. Anyone? Yes, sir, it's breaking. It's breaking. Okay, guys. So I think too much. All right. So my voice is fine now. This is is a big problem. Okay, if you face any more voice break, tell me, okay? Because I think from my end, my network speed is good, pretty good, as always. But I don't know what is my voice breaking. Alright, so no worries. Did you all done with the command? And I hope my voice is okay now. For all three questions, repeat. Yes. Oh, no. You can reply in 0 1 binaries, okay? 0 for no and 1 for yes. One. All right, Arishi. One. Okay, Tafiq. Okay. Okay. So you all are obedient students, I think. Okay. All right. So next command. Next command is like if you want to know the name of your system, like the system that we are using. So we can use uname -a. Okay. So this is the system that we are using, or we can say uname -all. Not all. I think A. All right, guys. So this is the system that we are using. Use this command, and I will tell you regarding the breakdown of this result that we are getting. Each part. When you done with this command, no, Arishi. Whoever is the command that we use to know who are we. Okay. As a user, what is our name in our system? But this command uname -a, it tells about the system that we are using, the operating system, about the operating system that we are using, about its version and etc. and all. I will tell you its output breakdown. Getting it? So who am I tells you, like if we root who am I, so it tells you root. I am currently root. It's telling me who am I. But uname 8 tells us regarding the system that we are using, the operating system. Kali 0010. Okay, Tafiq. Like say use root. Yes, sorry, but use uname -a command. Tafiq, I think you take my word seriously. So can you explain what it means? 01010. I think it's 12, 13 something. 12, I think. 11, I think 11. It means 11 or 12. 10 or 11. Okay. So when you are done with reply me done, then I will explain you regarding the command. Okay. 0 for no voice, 1 for voice clear. Okay, so I think it's breaking. You are able to understand me little bit? I think my network is fine. I don't know why my voice is breaking. You are some it's breaks, sir. Sometimes it breaks. Okay. So wait, let me put out my earbuds, then I will tell you. Hello? Does anyone feel this? Then only I can do this. So hello. My voice is audible to you now? I put my earbuds. Now I'm using only the speaker of my laptop. Hello, 1 2 3 mic test. Reply with 0 1. Hello. One. Okay. So now it's fine, I think. Okay. So sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's not. So I think today you have to adjust with me, okay? From tomorrow I will take care regarding this. So at the time you are open, Kali. From that time voice breaking, sir. Vaibhavi. Okay, Vaibhavi. So you have to adjust only for today, okay? 010101. Okay, okay. Right. So you all got the output now regarding the uname command. Let me explain you regarding the breakdown of that command. Okay. So the first thing, Linux that came. Linux is the kernel that we are using. Okay. You all will get Linux same. Same. And Kali is the OS name that you are using. Kali is okay. Like the host name. Kali is the host name. And 6.9 dash AMD that is coming. Oh, wait a minute, guys. So 6.18.5 plus Kali dash AMD 64. So that means the version, okay, which we are using. It is a kernel version. And #1 SMP, that means the build SMP. Okay, what we can tell them? Tell that symmetric multiprocessing or supports multiple processes or system. What is the preempt dynamic Kali? So it means type of kernel preemption, or we can say scheduling mechanism that our system is using. If any doubt in this, I will type. Wait a minute, I will type regarding that. Let me type. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So see the chat box. So check this thing. Okay, I have written for you. So these are the things that are mentioned. Debian means it is based on Debian Linux distribution. You can save this. Okay, write it somewhere or save this. You have to get known at every part of this output what it means. Yes, Tafik. So I have mentioned all the things that are mentioned in that. Okay, so save this. You are writing? And 6.6.9-1 Kali, that is full kernel release. That what is kernel Linux modifications. x86 is like the 64-bit architecture that we are using, and GNU/Linux is the GNU tools that we use. All right. Okay. Okay, Arishni. Okay, Arga. I think slightly my voice is fine. I think you all are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, Gushi. Okay, Ramcharan. Okay. So let we are using uname dash a. It tells you everything about the system. So if we want to know something specific only, like if we want to know about the only system, that which system we are using, so we will use uname dash s. So like it will say that we are using Linux. Okay, save these extensions also. Okay, uname dash s, it will tell you about the system that we are using. Another is uname dash n. It means what it tells dash n. What I need. I have already mentioned it. Okay, so I have already mentioned it earlier. Okay, so it is a host name. So host name is come with the dash n command. All right. And then uname dash r. What it will tell you? It will tell you about the version that we are using. Okay, the kernel version of 60-bit architecture. And in the last, uname dash m. It will tell you the which process we are using, 64-bit or 32-bit. Reply with OK or done if you are fine with the explanation of this term or at the topic. Reply with done. So I clear my terminal. Uname dash a, uname dash s, uname dash n, uname dash r, and uname dash m. Try all these 5 and reply with done when you are done. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the chat section. And as I already told you, who am I command. So okay, who am I command tells you that who you are. The user is part of user. You are. Any doubt, guys? Done. Okay, Arishvi, fine. But we have wasted much time. My voice is breaking regarding that. No problem. We will continue rest tomorrow, and I will do 1 or 2 commands more today. Reply done, guys. If you are good, okay, done. So all right. So okay, the new command. Okay, Arga. The new command that we use is ID. So what ID tells you? ID tells you about the permission that we have, like who we are fully. First, UID 0 bracket root, it means the user ID that we are. The GID 0 root, it means the group ID. And groups 0 root, it means the group memberships that we have. Okay. So I am the only one in the group, so it tells 0. And GID is the 0 group ID and UID is the 0. Because I am the single one who is using the system with the same group ID in the same group section in the same group and with the same user ID. Getting it? Reply done when you are done. Execute this command. UID means user ID number. GID means group ID number. And group equal to 0 means list of the all groups that the user belongs. And we are belongs to group 0, only one group is there. So that's why it is saying 0. Alright. Alright, actually. So the last command for is host name. Host name is Kali. Okay. So this host name command purpose is basically to display or change the system host name, the computer name. It tells you that. Okay. Kali is the name of this machine used for network identification or appears in network protocols like DNS. Okay. So I have to change the host name. Okay. So I will use sudo host name and I want to do it Vaibhav. Done. So now if I will do host name, then it will come Vaibhav, not root, not Kali, sorry. Got it, guys? If we want to use host name, if we want to change the host of the system, the host name of the system, we will use sudo host name and then whatever name we want to give it to. Like I have given Vaibhav, so now its host name is Vaibhav. Done. Reply with done if you all guys are done with it. To how to change the host name. So like again I have to change it to root. So done. So now if I do host name again root. Oh sorry. Kali I have to give. Why is taking so much time? Okay. Host name root. Okay. Done. Reply if you all guys are done. So rest commands we will do it tomorrow as we are short of time. What is this, Manjit? So terminal gives me shit when I run ID. UID 1000 Linux user groups 1000. So Manjit, it tells you your user ID is 1000 and your group ID is 1000 and the groups 1000. It gives you the name of the groups. Okay, so these all are the names of the groups that are there. Like 29 audio group, 30 DIP group, 44 video group. That are something groups that are already present in my system. So in my system, as I've just downloaded the Linux previously, so it's give me I am the 0 user, I'm at the root, and these all my user ID and group ID is something like 00. Okay, but you are the thousand of the 1000th one, user ID and group ID you have. So that's what it is giving to you. There is no problem in it. It is giving the correct answer, but according to you, because every system has different things. So see, when I run it in different system, it gives me also the same thing. See, this thing it gives to me. Okay, so it is like same for everyone. No problem in it. Okay. So are you all guys ready for the quiz? Reply with yes if you all guys are ready. All right, so let me share my screen then. All right. Okay, guys, join the quiz first. My screen is visible to you all, I think. Join fast, guys. One more minute. Join fast, guys. If anyone is facing any issue in joining, reply me. Okay, text me in the chat box so I can wait for him, or else we will start in the next minute. Okay, so let me give you the pin code. So this is the link, guys. Join with this link. I have pasted in the chat. If you are facing an issue, join with this link. Join fast. Okay. Alright, Suhel. So you have joined, I think. Reply if you have joined or not. Okay. So we are going to start. Okay, guys. So you are ready? 3, 2, and 1.
Quiz.com. Play and create.
Get started, guys. I'm really sorry, guys. My laptop got discharged. Okay, so let me share my screen again and join the quiz fast again. Okay. Alright, guys. I think you all have already joined it. Okay. So this is the link. If you want to join it again, you can join it. Okay. Really sorry, guys. I think now you will get another chance, okay, to score good. Okay. Ten more seconds, guys. Join fast. So first of all, congratulations, Adishri. Again, you are at number 1. And Abhishek Saini, congratulations again. And Om Bismay, congratulations. Because I think from last 2 or 3 times, you are coming at 4 or 5th. So now you are 3rd. Good. Good progress. And what happened, Aditya, to you? Why you are not in the top 3 or top 5 today? What happens? What happened, Tafiq? Congratulations, all of 3. 12th. Okay, Manjit. No problem. Try hard next time, okay? I played it, but why it is showing 0 points? Or like this, Sarika. Where are you? I think yes, it is not showing you. So Ali also showing 0 points. Arga showing 0 points, I think. No problem, Arga. No problem. Next time you will come. It may be regarding the network issue that I have. Okay. So really sorry regarding that issue. From tomorrow, I think I will make sure regarding that I will make it good. Okay. So okay, guys, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Good night and sweet dreams. Today's topic or so okay. So you all guys remember the exciting thing that we do today's fact. Okay. Wait. Let me tell you regarding today's fact. Okay. So you are excited regarding that. So are you guys ready? So okay, wait. Let me see what I have searched. Okay. So tell me, guys. AI is AI that we all know as artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT and all these things. You know that it is there from 1999 only. Okay, so it is not like new thing to us. But after 2017, the AI got boomed so much. Why? Why do you think? What is the reason that only after 2017 or 18 the AI got boomed so much? Before that, no one knows about it. The ChatGPT stuff, and no one knows about them all. They don't even exist. But after 2017 or 18, what exactly thing happened that it all got boomed according to you guys? Okay, so tell me, why do you think it got boomed after 2017 suddenly? AI and the models stuff. There is so much hype regarding AI after 2017. Before that, we don't even heard much about it. There is no hype in the market. Fear and misuse concern. No, this is there, but why they are so hyped that everyone is using AI from everywhere? We are using them. Suddenly they popped up in the market. So like AI, use them because of AI understand unit. Okay, that is there. AI understand. AI is still there in 99. Some people are using it. 2010 there is also AI, but why after 2017 only it got so hyped in the market? The ChatGPT came, Gemini came, Perplexity came, Claude AI came, many such thing happened. But so what exactly thing happened in 2017 so that these all models came? Advancement of technology. Yes, in what sense, Adishri? There is advancement of technology, but in what sense? What exactly thing happens? So I think you all don't know. Okay, so let me tell you. So AI is powerful only because of better algorithms. Okay, but a huge turning point was a research paper. That research paper name is Transformer Architecture. Okay, remember the name, Transformer Architecture. This is the name of the research paper. And instead of processing words one by one, this method allowed AI to understand relationships across entire statements at once. Okay, before that, every AI was training on understanding every statement by word, one word, and then next word, and then next one. But from this algorithm, this research paper published, Transformer Architecture, what AI do? it understands the whole statement at once, whatever the statement it is, the relationship between them. So that makes a base for the large language models that we are using today. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. So they are large language models. They have to know very much big data models. So okay, so they got understood with very much big data. So from this research paper, transformer architecture, they are able to make such a big, large language models that we are using today. So after that, 2017 research published the AI, these type of AI, ChatGPT and LLMs, big LLMs got introduced, and we are so hyped up regarding them. Got it? Clear? So that single shift changed how machine learn language, and it's one of the reasons today large language models even exist. If that research paper don't published, then there is no large language models present. There are AI stuff, there are some language models, but not that much large that we are using ChatGPT stuff. These are very big language models. Okay, so if that research paper not published, that type of large language models can't be trained in that high valuation of data. Okay, guys. So this is interesting for you. Any issue, any problem, or clear? Yes, sir. Okay. All right. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all guys like the session. So good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. And try to hack everyone in your dreams. Sweet dreams. Play games. Enjoy. Bye bye.